Know how I do my daily routine and my in-between washes. I don't like to do my hair every day. I don't like to wash it every day, but this is my simple, easy, going to work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to section off the top portion of my hair, get it out of the way. Take another section, twist, clip up, grab my brush, brush out any tangles. Don't forget your heat protectant. Couple sprays. And just go over some pieces that you feel are not straight anymore. I don't have my straightener on too high. I usually leave my straightener on about 350. Just like to make sure my hair is flat in the back. Sometimes it's hard to get it all the way in the back. Let's just take down this section. Same thing. Don't forget your heat protectant again. Brush out any tangles. And just go over with the straightener again. This is about day 2. My hair is dry, so I can usually go about 4, sometimes 5 days. With this quarantine, I'm going about 5 days without washing my hair. My last section. Now I do a pretty hard, far over part. I just like it. I've always done it like that. Like to finesse the top. I do my top section a little bit different. Spray my heat protectant and then just go over some pieces that I feel are not straight anymore because my hair is naturally curly, so my hair will sometimes get a little kinky in spots. Just make sure it's flat and smooth. Just go over the top a little bit over on this side because this portion of my hair I do something a little bit different. So now I take horizontal sections, comb them out, use my flat iron, and I will slightly rotate it downwards. And then it gives that beautiful curl. Just a simple curl. Today I didn't want to curl my entire head, so I just did a few pieces in the front. Same thing. Rotate slightly forward, just to give a really pretty curl towards the end. I do about 3 sections on the top the same way. Just rotate down, and there you go. Just to give a little oomph. Make sure the other parts are all straight. And all these lovely baby hairs I have, tuck those under. Now I'm getting my dry shampoo. I love this brand Cake. It's one of my favorites. I normally would use my Sexy dry shampoo, but unfortunately I ran out. So this is my next go-to. Take my teasing comb. This is when I go and I tease my hair. All that volume. Take another section, spray, Tease, tease, tease. I do about 3 sections on the top. Bloop. Try and flip that out of the way. Go to the next portion. Go to the side. Spray with my dry shampoo. And then tease. Flip to the other side. Once again, go in with your dry shampoo and tease, tease, tease. Now you got crazy hair. Tame that hair, girl. That's crazy. Then I go in with my brush and I smooth it all down. And back in the day, I used to leave my hair all crazy and big. Not anymore. Just make sure it's smooth. Oh, my part wasn't perfect, so I had to fix that. Yep, those baby hairs just drive me crazy. Tuck those under. So now I'm going to be taking my hairspray and my bobby pins. And what I do with my bobby pins is I actually spray them beforehand. It helps give it a little bit more grip. So now I'm going to go to my side. I'm going to take just a little portion of hair, pull it back, take my bobby pins and do a X with them. Usually do one more just to make sure it's secure, and I usually go like over the top of it to make sure it's holds down very well. Then I take my little pearl clippy to hide the bobby pins, and there you go. Easy peasy. Now I'll go in with a little bit of finishing spray. I don't like too sticky of hairspray, that's why I like this brand Cake. It's not really too sticky, but it holds your hair. And you can still run your fingers through it if you need to. Just finesse those little hairs in the front, around my face. Tame any flyaways. And there you go. Thank you so much for staying with me throughout this, guys. Hope it wasn't too boring. To show you guys my going to work hair. Love you all.